Welcome to Message Blink. Let's learn how to schedule a message. This is the Message Blink social settings page. Now, go to Leads, Contacts, or any custom object and open the record you want to message. Scroll to the Message Blink chat component. Type your message or select a template you want to send. Then click the schedule icon next. Pick the date and time for delivery. Make sure your time zone is correct. Hit schedule and you're all set. The message will be sent automatically at the selected time. You can also review your scheduled message. Just go to Messages. You'll see your scheduled message there. Now click Edit. If you want to edit something, make the changes here, update your message, and hit Save. From here, you can reschedule, cancel, or edit messages before they're sent. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to schedule and manage messages with Message Blink, right from Salesforce. Ready to try it yourself? Book a demo at messageblink.com.